Good morning, my dear friends. My name is Dr. Priyaranjan Trivedi, and I'm speaking from New Delhi on behalf of Priyaranjan Trivedi official YouTube channel. Today is 13th April, so let's know the significance and importance of 13th April. There are two reasons why we observe this day today. So that way, today is a very important day, and we always remember 13th April. But why? Because today is the International Creativity and Innovation Day. So we have to be creative. We have to teach the students to become creative. We have to motivate the young minds, those who are in the school or college or university, or those who are teachers, young lecturers, scientists, so that they can become more creative and then innovate something. Innovation can be in science and technology or medicine or law, or for that matter in social work, chemistry, physics, astronomy, astrology, anywhere it is possible. We have now been advancing the knowledge of our technology as well as nanotechnology. So we are growing at the jet speed. But in order to maintain the speed and ensure that, yes, the creativity and innovation must be encouraged. That is why this day is observed as a symbolic day. It is our duty, your duty, and everybody's duty, government's duty, volunteers' duty, voluntary organizations' duty, university's duty, everybody's duty to ensure that those who are creative must be encouraged so that they start innovating something. So this is a very important day. The other reason is that today is a plant appreciation day. You see any plant, small plant, maybe a shrub, or for that matter, a sapling, could be a flower, could be a fruit growing plant, ornamental plant, bonsai plant, but you have to appreciate it. It has been found that if you go to the field or garden and see and appreciate that plant from close quarters, and the other plant which is not appreciated, there is a difference, because plants also have mind and they became overjoyed and their joys know no bounds. That is why the growth is positive. So today is the day when plants are to be appreciated, and again, this day also symbolizes that it is our duty that the plant appreciation must be promoted and circulated. The young minds, the school children, must be taken to the gardens and they can recognize the plant. Even they go to the agricultural fields, they don't know the types of cultivation we are doing. If we are having a pulse, or for that matter, wheat or rice, paddy fields, they can't recognize what is that. So they have to be educated on that line, also the other plants which are in the garden or anywhere. If they recognize that, they will have a sense of belongingness. So these are the two reasons why we observe this day today. Tomorrow will be a discussion on 14th April. Till then, thank you very much, and may peace prevail on this Mother Earth.